गोंयकारां खातीर रेल्वे अधिकाऱ्यांच्या मनात मात लेगीत रेस्पेद ना. फाटीं आमदाराचो अपमान केल्लो आनी आतां सांगिनासतना मान्यताये बगर माती भरल्या. रेल्वे प्राधिकरण मान्यताये बगर आपणाक जाय तें करतात असो आरोप वास्कोचे आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेदान केला. आरडीएक्स खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
आज actually दुख लगता है Bhaskar. The railway has got no respect for Goans. First of all, last time they made a big blunder by doing Alina Sandana. They positive scenario. आता मुझे फाटले माती बोलले. हम मतलब परमिशन घेऊन माती बोल. आता ये माती बोलते आके we can starting here. So we are discussing today with the deputy Mamta was supposed to come. Now I am asking the railway to please clear the mud. What is permission and do?
सर आणि खंय खंय अशी माती घातल्या आणि एक कंप्लेंट येयला म्हणून ऐकलं.
See, railway is doing things without permission. Even now at the next to the main road to Mangor, there again they are trying to put some mud there. See, I am saying do whatever you want, but please take permission and do. Railways has got no care for Goans. Issue.
जे लेन्स लीक जाला या नाल्ला बल्ला हातून तो सगळं कमजा दिसली इतल्या वर्सां तो आजचो ओपन दवरपाक जाय विदाउट परमिशन घेयनासतना रेल्वेन ते नाल्ला जर ब्लॉक केलो फाल ते फ्लडिंग जातले. ताका लागून आमी तेजेर ऑब्जेक्शन हाडला आनी आमचे रिस्पेक्टेड MLA कोय सांगला ते नाल्ला क्लीन करून रेल्वेन एक्शन रेल्वेचेर एक्शन घेवपाक जाय म्हणून. कित्याक रेल्वे ऑब्जर्व केल्या त्या प्रमाणे ह्या दिसांनी आपणा जाय ते भाजी करता परमिशन घेयनासतना खंय खंय करता without respecting the law of the land. But
have you all filed a complaint on against the rail or the
yes, we have already filed a complaint saying that this filling of the nalas or blocking of the normal route has to be clean and kept open. Angai zala ani tattani या हॉटेलाकडे तिगाय जे म्हणजे डॅपिंग केला.
Okay, कोणालाही कंप्लेंट केली तुम्ही?
To the police also and to the this.
And we are for railways. You don't bifurcate railway before don't make differentiate between you and railway. It is yours only. We are just so we are managing the show. So we will discuss and we will no matter we will settle the matter. We will never neglecting anybody. See, that is our departmental is different. That is engineering department. So they will take care. We will inquire and we will let you know because I am not sure about that. He says it is our land, so we put so no permission required like that. Okay, no other issue in that. So we will discuss the matter.
So, but
so we can settle the matter.
yeah, but the local MLA and the councillors are claiming that you are the rail. So what do you have to say about
that? That is not the case. I do not agree with that.